Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your Realme 9i. Firstly, need to open your gallery, not Google Photos, only standard application on this device, Photos. And then choose your photos. Press and hold and select, for example, these 4 photos. And then on the bottom panel we got Set as Private button. Tap it and now need turn on your private safe, so click Settings. Set a private password first. Okay, set password. Choose your password. This password is too common. Okay, use verify. And now need enter your answer for question. I write random answer. And then click tap OK in the top right corner. Okay, click agree and continue. Access privacy safe and settings password. Okay, and we activate our private safe. Now go into our photos and let's try again. Press and hold, choose your photos, click set as private button, and how you can see, successfully set as private. Touch and hold and tap to view its image. Okay, now for opening this image, press and hold here in the top panel, enter privacy password, and how you can see our 4 photos in this private folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.